We are on our way to Little Havana. We are again using public transport. There is going my bus. Few seconds at bus 11. It's really easy, but if you want to buy a ticket, I recommend to have a cash with you. Again, we try to buy ticket with a card, but just cash. Hi travelers! I am Mats and welcome to Travel with me, your go-to guide for all travel things. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and now I am sharing my tips, experience and favorite places with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together. We are already in Little Havana. As you can see, it's really Cuban style and I love it. You can get here really cheap drinks, food, etc. They have happy hours. And yes, of course, you can see street art everywhere. Yeah, every single building has some street art. And if you speak Spanish, it's really a bonus. Everybody speaks Spanish here and it's more than English. Nice. We are actually going to find some restaurant to have a dinner. place, a Domino Park. I think it's already closed, but you can see a domino here. And I think guys over there, they are playing domino or some game. Oh, there is some bar or something. Nice. It's actually really amazing place. I feel like in some Caribbean island, everywhere is music, dance, alcohol. Amazing. Yeah, they are playing some games here. Amazing. Here you actually can find a McDonald's in Cuban style, which is amazing. So nice. Check it. Lots of nice street art. This is actually really amazing place. If you are here in Miami, don't miss it. It has a vibe during the day, during the night. It's pretty special. We are already back in our room, and I must say tonight was really good. Definitely, if you want to have some cheaper meal or cheaper option, cheaper drinks, go to Little Havana and you will find like some really good restaurant. I actually tried a Cuban sandwich for the very first time and it was delicious, so go for it. And we also try Uber for the first time. And it's not that expensive. If you go with public transfer, you might see more. Yeah, definitely it's take like a double time and you will save some money. So it's up to you if you need to save time or if you need to save money. Choose public transport, or if you are in hurry, grab Uber. But both options are like reasonable. So Uber is not that expensive like in maybe some of the countries. And actually, if you have a good driver, you will get a bit more about Miami, like we did. So actually, that's it for tonight. We are going to have some sleep and continue tomorrow. We are going to explore Miami Beach finally. So see you tomorrow.